Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through the updates we've made to the optimizer. First thing you'll notice is that we split up the optimizer into two parts, DK Optimizer and FD Optimizer. That's DraftKings, that's FanDuel. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come in, you're going to put in your username. Once you do that, this will start saving your actions. Okay, so if I put in 30% Andrew Luck, 30% Patrick Mahomes, get rid of Aaron Rodgers, and let's say I lock in Dion Lewis and Duke Johnson, right? Now, when I refresh, if I load the previous data, I will have Duke Johnson, Dion Lewis locked in. I will have this, and if I go to my excluded players, there's Aaron Rodgers. So that's the way. That's the way that we've made sure that you can save things. If we update any of our projections, they will be reflected in your changes. Other things new since the last time I made this optimizer. If I download the slate, I can take this Excel sheet and make any adjustments I would like. Sorry, the computer's being a little bit slow right now. But once I make these adjustments, right, so let's just say that I want to take, if I want to take the main slate only, and I want to change the Cardinals to 10, if I save this, right, if I save this, and I click browse files here, and I upload this file, what did I save this file as? There we go. Sorry about that. And I go to DST. There's the Cardinals. So I can make any changes I would like by just downloading a slate. I can input all my own projections. I can remove players. Whatever changes I'd like to make, I can do that by doing that now. For the excluded tab, now if I uncheck a team, it'll take all those players out of the team. So if I don't want any Chargers or Rams for whatever reason, I would do that. I can then go back and include people individually. I can sort by positions, right? Whatever's checked is included. So now I'm just looking at running backs. That's a real easy way for me to go through players. If I then check them back in, they'll put them back in the player pool. These guys are now back in my player pool. All of this stuff is still the same. We've added the ability to create as many groups as 6 now, so you can really get creative with the things you can do in here. Apologize. We have 10 groups, so you can do all this stuff with the optimizer. Create different groups, set your exposure, delete this stuff. Any changes you make when you refresh, if you load your previous data changes, you'll be able to see all of those changes. They will be reflected in the optimizer. If you want to create multiple builds, the thing I suggest is if you use your username and add 1, 2, 3, you can start naming your different builds and open up any one you'd like. Once you come in and you make changes, if you come in with the same username, it will automatically save whatever is the latest thing you've done with the optimizer. So we've heard your concerns with the optimizer. We're working really hard to continue to improve it. You can now upload your own projections. You can save all of the work you've done, and you can exclude teams by just a click of a button. Guys, the rest of the stuff with the optimizer you can find in the other video. I hope this is helpful. As always, if you have any questions, I'm always happy to help. All you have to do is hop in the chat and ask, and I'll do whatever I can. Thank you.